In this video, I'll show you how to draw on Google Docs. If you want to draw inside a Google Docs file, the main method on a computer is to use the built-in drawing tool. Google's official help says you can open your document, click Insert, then Drawing, then New, and use the tools there to add lines, shapes, text boxes, and images. To begin, open your Google Doc and click in the area where you want the drawing to appear. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, choose Drawing, and select New. This opens a drawing window on top of your document. That separate window is where you create the drawing before placing it into the page. Once the drawing window appears, look at the toolbar. If you want to draw a line, click the Line tool. Google says you can choose different line types, including a normal line, arrow, curve, polyline, elbow connector, curved connector, and scribble. If you want to draw freehand, choose Scribble, then click and drag across the canvas with your mouse or trackpad. That is the closest option to drawing by hand on desktop. If you want something cleaner than freehand drawing, you can also use the Shape tool. Click Shape, pick the category you want, then click and drag on the canvas to create boxes, circles, arrows, callouts, and other elements. This works really well for simple diagrams, flowcharts, labels, and step-by-step visuals. You can also add a text box if you want to put words inside the drawing. After you add your lines or shapes, you can customize them before inserting the drawing into the document. You can move items around, resize them, rotate them, and change things like line color, fill color, border color, and thickness. This helps you make the drawing look clearer and more polished before it goes into your Google Doc. When your drawing is ready, click Save and Close. The drawing will then appear inside the document. If you want to change it later, just click the drawing and select Edit to reopen it. Google also lets you insert an existing drawing from Drive if you already made one in Google Drawings. If you are using Google Docs on Android, there is also a Markups feature. Google says you can tap Insert and then add markups on handheld devices, or use the Markups toggle on large screens. From there, you can use the pen or highlighter to draw directly on the document as an annotation. This is more for marking up content than inserting a full drawing, but it can still be very useful. So that's how to draw on Google Docs. On desktop, use Insert, Drawing, then New to create lines, shapes, and freehand scribbles. On Android, you can use Markups to draw annotations with a pen or highlighter. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.